There's a 1,500-gallon water tank underneath of this tarp, and I want to bury it part way into the ground. If you've watched any of our videos, you know the drill. It's all rock. And this is one of the reasons why it's in smaller chunks, but it's largely broke up. But some of the pieces are kind of big, and it just takes some effort to get it out of the hole and turn it into a pile. Okay, so we got a green laser set up on the edge of the hole here, and we've been using a grade rod, and I wanted to get at least 5 feet deep here. And we're going to add on for a 4-inch concrete pad under here to support the water tank. So it looks like we've kind of got all that depth done now, and it's been kind of a battle in this stuff because there's a lot of rock. I've got a stake in the middle of the hole here, and then I clamped a piece of wood to hold this conduit onto here. I can just drag the sweep around and make sure everything is level, and I've got the diameter that I want. So our hole is pretty well cleared out and ready to go. I'm gonna have to clear out some material on the other end, so there's a way to get in there and do the finish work on it. We're gonna put some concrete in the bottom and have a way to get out of there. It's kind of a climb out right now. Found some rebar hiding in our scrap pile over here, so I should be able to form some of that up to put into that area that's going to get the concrete. Okay, and Marketplace coughed up a deep well pump here for pretty cheap compared to what they cost, so supposedly not used very much. We'll give that a little bit of a cleaning up, and I'm going to see if there's some way to get it mounted into those into one of those tanks, and we can use that to pressurize our water. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.